what happened is my bus dropped me off at 6:40 a.m. It was supposed to drop off at 7 a.m. And now I have a few hours in my hand because the hotel that we originally booked, the check-in time is 2 p.m.
So this is the bus I booked for the Hyderabad trip, and that's my seat. It's a side upper, which is my favorite type of seat for a bus ride. I booked it through the RedBus app, and this bus had a very reasonable booking price. I have mentioned all the details in the description box below, so you can check them out. So I reached Gachibowli Circle at 6:30 a.m. I actually thought that the bus would arrive late, but it was early. So I decided to book an OYO as the Airbnb that we booked had a check-in time of 2 p.m. And why we booked such an Airbnb, I will explain in a minute. This is the OYO that I found nearby and luckily got a room there.
And all the hotels that we were checking out for Hyderabad had check-in times at 11 a.m. starting from 11 a.m. mostly. So anyway, I had to wait if the bus is dropping me off at time. So we just booked the hotel with a check-in time of 2 p.m. because the hotel looked good and we decided to go with that. So I thought I'll just book another hotel. I'll check out from here at 2 p.m. So this is just an OYO that I found nearby Gachibowli Circle that the bus dropped me off. So I just booked it for 1000. I'll be checking out at 2 p.m. but I have no other option. I need to freshen up. We have the whole day ahead, and I thought it would be just better to book another hotel. So here I am. I was literally walking around the streets looking for a hotel. Then I searched in Google Maps in the hotel option that whichever nearby hotel I could find. I was just walking around and found this one, and I asked. They were asking for 1300. Then I told them that I'll just be there for a few hours. I'll just freshen up. So then they reduced the rate to 1000. So I guess nothing else to do. I'll just freshen up here and go about it. So these are all the clothes that I got for Hyderabad in one packing cube. I've got everything. It's just a 5-day trip, so yeah. I forgot to give a room tour. So this is the bed. It's a single room. That's the wardrobe, mirror, that's my bag, some storage, and this is the washroom. Also, we have a TV as well. So I just got ready and the lighting is very weird here. I just changed my outfit and did my makeup. I don't even know what I did, but the lighting is pretty bad here. So the color of wall is matching with my top. That was not intentional. Anyway, so I'm just thinking of going out to have my breakfast because I'm feeling really hungry. I did not have anything in the morning. I think I have 1 or 2 restaurants here. By walking I can go. I saw in the Google map. So I'll just do that and have my breakfast now. Back to the hotel after breakfast. So I had breakfast from a restaurant called Chakde Restaurant, and the dosa was good. I had masala dosa just for 40 rupees. So the dosa was good. And I was checking out if I could go to some other place here, but it's just 10 a.m. and I think most of the places will open by 11, I guess. So I just came back to the hotel, and I think IKEA Hyderabad is quite nearby. I was checking out in the map. It was showing just 6 to 7 minutes on a Rapido. So I might go there. So I'm going to IKEA now. Now is 11:50. So I'll be in IKEA, and after I'm done with that, I'll check out from here and go to that hotel as well. So let's go to IKEA. हाँ ये एंट्रेंस लिखा है ना, आप इधर मुझे उतार दीजिए।
इधर उतार दो।
हाँ
उतर जा।
हाँ इधर ये एग्जिट दिख रहा है ना, आप इधर से आई थिंक जा सकते हो।
I finally reached IKEA. I have always wanted to visit an IKEA store but never had the chance to because IKEA Bangalore is too far from where I live. So when I saw that IKEA Hyderabad is near that OYO, I instantly decided to visit here. It was mid-December, so they decorated the entrance with a Christmas theme. The color palette was red, white and green, and they put up some Christmas trees as well. Everything was decorated nicely. I just feel so happy when I go to any home furnishing store. Here is a tour of the IKEA Hyderabad.
So done with IKEA, and I just got 5 flowers from there. I could not find any other color variety in flowers. Sunflower was there, but I did not like it that much. The size was too big. So I just wanted some small nice flowers. So mostly all the flowers were pink and white, so I had to get pink and white. I wanted some other colors like purple or red, but I did not find those. So yeah, got these. It was taking a lot of time for me to reach this hotel because I have to check out from here and then go to that hotel. While booking the bike or auto from the IKEA, while returning, I was having a lot of issues because they were not able to find the gate where I was standing. I booked from there, but there were a lot of U-turns and they had to go round and round and then come to the place from where I booked. So it was taking a lot of time. I actually liked some of the flower pots and flower vase over there, but those were glass. So I did not wanted to buy something heavy that could break because I have to go to Bangalore also. So I just got something that will not break or not get damaged while travel. And the best thing about IKEA that I find is that the setup is so nice. Like they have separate themes for every area. They will decorate each and every area as per that theme, and that looks so beautiful. Some of the vintage setups were there, some were modern, playful. So I really like the setup idea. Like you can see the things actually in play, how they will look in your home if you are actually going for the theme, or how that item will look at a certain place, so that you can really get an idea at IKEA. I really had a great time, and now I need to rush. I need to pack up everything from here and check out and check into that hotel. So yeah, see you in that hotel. Well, this Airbnb is really good. It has like a big hall with nice vintage sofa, and it has 2 rooms and 2 bathrooms, and I really like the decor. It resembles the photos, at least what we saw on the net, and it's quite spacious. It has a kitchen, it has an ironing board, so yeah, it's good. It's really good. So I just came out to get the view, and maybe I also take some rest and charge my phone and all the other devices because I've been filming all day. So maybe in the evening we'll go out somewhere. Let's see. And here is a quick tour. The fridge is quite clean as well. That one I just put inside. we decided not to go out anywhere. We'll just stay here and have dinner. Now we are going to have some tea, and after that we'll have dinner. We'll stay here, we'll not go out anywhere. Tomorrow morning the trip starts.